Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to fix not being able to hear a stream on Discord mobile. So let's start. Well, I have Discord here on my PC, but it's different to do it on mobile. So let's follow these steps and I'm sure that this will help you to fix your problem. So the first step is open our Discord app on our mobile device. Then we have to go to our profile picture in the right corner, and then the number three is go to voice and video settings. Then you have to adjust the input soundboard volume to at least 50%, and then enable to echo cancellation and noise suppression. So you have to click there and there. Okay, well, that's easy to do it. Then let's go to the number 6, check if the streamer has enabled their microphone and voice settings. So you have to check if the other users can hear it, and if no, it's only you. Then the number 7 is just start your device to see if the issue is resolved. So you have to restart your device and check if the problem was fixed. Then update your Discord app. That is another thing that you have to do it. Check if the Discord is updated, and you can do it on Play Store or App Store to check it. So number 9, check your phone's volume settings to ensure that they are not muted. So you have to check also if your phone is okay. So that's the number 9. And the number 10, well, the last one tip is close other apps that might be using the microphone. So you can do it by checking the second apps that are open, and you can close the for trying to fix the problem on Discord. So in case that even those tips didn't work, and maybe you have to reinstall the Discord app on your device, so that's what you can do it. Or in case, well, you can start using the Discord on PC. So guys, well, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.